Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to enable or disable the ambient mode. So it's really just a tasting. Some people want it on, some people want it off. So let's hop onto YouTube. So as for example, I'm watching this video, it's all black around. I'm gonna pause it because I don't like it. I'm gonna click on the settings on the right top and I'm gonna choose for ambient mode. And now it's on. And you may not see very much difference now because I already turned my whole iPhone to black mode. But I will turn it off. And now you see a slight difference. See the background is a little bit lighter. There's more color. So that's how you turn it on and off. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.